Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, you may now take your seat.
Thank you, teacher.
How are you today?
We're fine, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, are you excited to hear a story?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea what our story today is?
No, teacher, no.
Okay. Our story today is about the true friend. Are you excited?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, eyes on me and sit properly. Okay. The true friend. Once there were two best friends, and it is a squirrel and a puppy. They used to play and live together. The squirrel is sporty and always winning. The puppy feel bad about it and very sad and think that it is no use to win over the squirrel. One day, it started raining heavily. The squirrel is in high spirit, excited, and he started doing antics and jump all over the place. But suddenly, because of his clumsiness, he lost his balance and fell in the water. He called his friend, the puppy. Help! Help! The puppy suddenly came to his rescue. The squirrel climbed up to his back and reached to a safe place and thanked his friend, the puppy, for saving his life. And our moral of the story is always have confidence in yourself. Everyone is unique in his own way. Never lose hope and do more about it. And that's all for our story. And do you have any question?
Teacher.
Okay, Geraldine.
Why is it the squirrel is clumsy?
The squirrel is clumsy because he is very energetic and sporty. That's why.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, very good. And do you learn about it?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay, that's all. And for listening and goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher. And thank you for being with us.
Okay, goodbye.